Hey guys, this is Joe with Vive Health. I'm here to answer a common question that we get on the Arctic Flex knee ice brace. And it's just a simple one. It's how do you remove and put back in the gel packs inside of the brace. So I wanted to show you guys quickly. As you can see here, there's pouches in the back. And all of these gel packs, there's 3 of them, are the same size. So they're interchangeable. So you don't have to worry about which one you take out and where you take it out of, which is nice. This is how you remove it. It's simple. Take it out of the sleeve. Then you're just gonna put it in the freezer, wait till it gets cold. It's gonna stay flexible in the freezer, which makes it a lot easier to put it back in. It's not gonna be a big ice brick or anything like that. And then you're gonna be able to put it right back in, same way. Seal it up, and you just do that 3 times and you're good to go. Hopefully that is helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for checking out the video.